How many of you have kids under 18? Okay. So a child now can make $13,850 and not pay a penny in tax on it. And if you're a sole proprietor or single member LLC, you can pay them and don't have to pay payroll taxes on it. And then you can put that in a Roth IRA. You can buy a whole life policy for them, and they'll be set for life. There's a lot of things you can do with that money, but it's just a giveaway. Now it has to be. There's a court case that came out on it, and it has to be reasonable work for reasonable pay. Okay. I had a guy with a 10-year-old, and I said, "What does he do for you?" "Well, he does all the office filings, and he does the data entry." And I said, "Yeah, right." And the test we use for any deduction is, can you look an auditor in the eye and not smile when you tell them the story, okay? You know, is it believable? So what we do is we hire the kids as models. I mean, how many of you have businesses that you do any advertising, or you do Facebook or Instagram? The Gerber baby made $60,000 a year. So, and the court case that came out said you have to keep records, they have to be paid a reasonable wage. Well, modeling, what's great about this is because normally you give a kid a job and you're going to make 13 or 14, whatever minimum wages. The models make $125 to $175 an hour with a 2 to 3 hour minimum. So you just have to write up a little modeling agreement, and then they have to do a Photoshop or two a month, photo set a month, and you've got them up to the 13 or 14,000. They could be a 2-year-old.